So let me check how many of you typed it. No one yet. Okay, Che Guevara. Yeah, Rahul Samra says is right. Yes, it's Che Guevara. So he's one of the great revolutionists. Oh, on his birthday, we will start our class. Today is his birthday. So okay, chalo. Chalo, the main uh, attractions of this course are we will have this course as an interactive course. If you have any doubts, you just post your doubts in the comment box or you can raise your hand so that I will attend you. And can you see my screen? Sudhira, you are just presenting better. Better, can you just stop presenting your screen?
Sir, I cannot hear.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay, can you see my screen now? Okay. Okay, and we will. So you can see the slide like highlights of this course, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, beta. Chalo. So we will have a daily concept sheet that which you have to solve it daily. And the main theme that I am interested in this course is solving the first 100 squares. And we will see the certificate of appreciation if based on the performance and as per our team. So this is the syllabus as I have shared you in our group. So Vedic maths. So let me tell you a brief about Vedic maths. So Vedic maths is a very old technique that is taken from our ancient gurus. So father of Vedic maths is considered to be Bharati Krishna ji. So actually there are 16 sutras in the Vedic maths. Just like in the maths we have formulas na. So in the same way we have 16 sutras in Vedic maths. So these 16 sutras are interrelated with 14 sub-sutras. These 16 sutras are interrelated with 14 sub-sutras. So in our course, what we do is we don't name any sutra because all of those sutras are in Sanskrit language. So what we do is we will take the sutras as a base and we will use those simplified form and thereby we will solve one by one neatly. So if you can see my screen, we have 16 sutras which have been named in the name of English. So the sub-sutras are followed by this way. So I don't want to bore you by just saying all these names in Sanskrit and transferring them into the English. So that would be some time taking, so that I don't want this, and we will start our session. Okay, are you ready? Just type S in your presentation if you can see my screen. And okay, yes, chalo, we will start our presentation. Beta Sudhira, what is this yaar? Just mute yourself, na? That would be fine.
Sir, I cannot see the screen, sir.
Sir, I cannot hear your voice, sir. Sir, you're on mute.
Okay, beta. Okay, can you see? Thank you, beta. Can you see my screen now? Seeker, you're presenting your screen, beta. Can you please stop presenting? And yes. And now, can you see my screen?
Screen, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo, in this screen, we have 5 differences. Can you spot 5 differences and comment in them?
Sir,
Comment in your
no screen.
I cannot see
Beta.
the screen, sir. Sir, I Sir,
cannot see my
sir, we can't see
Celeb-
your screen.
See, one moment.
Sir, we can see your screen.
Yeah, I'm telling you everyone. See, you will be seen అక్కడ బేసికల్లీ ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తుంది సీడ్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది కదా, అది కనిపిస్తుంది. సీడ్ ఈజ్ ప్రెజెంటింగ్ అని ఒకటి కనిపిస్తుంది.
Sir, sir, you're not on spotlight. That's why.
అమ్మ మీరు పింక్ చేయాలమ్మా, నన్ను మీరు పింక్ చేస్తే
పిన్ చేస్తే
Yes, sir, I understood that. That's why I pinned you.
ఓకే, మీరు నా స్క్రీన్ మీద పింక్ చేస్తే మీకు నా స్క్రీన్ కనిపించిద్దమ్మా. ఓకే బేటా, కెన్ ఎవ్రీవన్ సీ మై స్క్రీన్? జస్ట్ టైప్ ఎస్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ ప్రొసీడ్.
I cannot see that, sir.
Yes,
బేటా, ఇఫ్ యూ గో విత్ స్క్రీన్ నేమ్ సీడ్ లెర్న్ టు గ్రో అనే ఒక స్క్రీన్ నేమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దాని మీద మీరు పింక్ చేయండి. మీరు అక్కడికి గో టేక్ యువర్ మౌస్ దేర్ అండ్ ప్రెస్ ద ఫస్ట్ బటన్ పిన్ అని ఉంది కదా, కెన్ యూ ప్రెస్ దాట్ వన్?
Sir, but we cannot see the screen when we press even the buttons. Even when we
Zarina,
Sir, someone is presenting again.
Name Zarina.
Zarina,
I will
Zarina,
see
can you
your
stop
screen, sir.
presenting your
We
screen?
cannot see your screen, sir.
Yes, sir, now we can.
Even if we pin the screen also, we cannot see the.
Yes, sir,
దేర్ ఆర్
we
టూ
can see.
అకౌంట్స్ కదమ్మా, అది కాకుండా చూడండి, నేను మాట్లాడే అకౌంట్ కాకుండా ఇంకొక అకౌంట్ ఉంది చూడు, దాంట్లో కూడా మీరు
సీడ్ లెర్న్ టు గ్రో అని కింద ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అని ఒకటి కనిపిస్తుంది, దాన్ని పిన్ చేయాలి.
Sir, Vedic Maximum, sir.
అది కాదు,
బేటా అది కాదు బేటా,
సీడ్ అని ఉంటుంది. సీడ్ లెర్న్ టు గ్రో ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అని ఉంటుంది, కింద ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అని కనిపిస్తుంది, దాన్ని పిన్ చేయాలి.
Yes, sir.
Sir, చేసిన కనిపిస్తలేదు సార్.
better till you can't see the screen, then that would be problem from your side.
Yes,
Can
sir, we can
others
all
see my screen? Just post it in the chat box. ఇది కొంచెం డిస్టర్బింగ్ అనే అవుతుందమ్మా. ఒకసారి కెన్ యూ, ఫస్ట్ డే కదా కొంచెం ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంటుంది, కెన్ యూ జస్ట్ కెన్ అదర్స్ సీ మై స్క్రీన్? జస్ట్ పోస్ట్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ ఇఫ్ yes or no. That would be helpful for us.
no, sir, we cannot.
Okay, some of them can see my screen.
Sir,
then what would
if
be the
you
problem?
don't have proper internet connection, you can't see your screen. We can't see your screen.
No beta, I'm on my Wi-Fi. LAN connection is very good.
No,
issue
sir,
with line.
we can see some others. If others have.
Yes, that may be the issue.
No, sir, we cannot.
Amma Likita, stop sharing your screen, Amma. Let me see it
Sir,
once
you are
again. Let
sharing
me.
the screen with the people. No, I think they're feeling that they're seeing only the people and they're not seeing your screen share.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's fine. Okay.
do one thing, everyone switch off your video. Yeah.
Now can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir, we can see your presentation.
We request everyone to don't turn on your video. Yeah.
Just a profile coming over there. Your profile pic is coming there.
If you have an internet problem, you have to change your layout to Spotlight and turn off your video.
Yes, marveled Ryan Tiger, the person who has said that. Beta, you are right. Yes, beta, can you do that way? Just turn off the video and thereby just pin me. I can see my screen. I am on the two displays. I am on my laptop and mobile. I can see my screen properly. No, just comment me. Can anyone can you see my screen or can you see my presentation? Just type it in the chat box.
Yes, we
Yes,
are able
beta.
to see it now.
Okay, beta. Now we are late by 5 minutes now.
You're sharing two screens, so they are.
हाँ
delete.
Yes, that would be the problem, and that's
Yeah.
it.
Everyone
Okay, chalo.
can able to see. There is no issue, but ఎవరికైనా ఇష్యూ ఉంటే లైక్ ప్రెసెంట్ మీరైతే వాయిస్ వినండి, మీకు ఆ పీపీటీ సపరేట్ గా షేర్ చేస్తాం, గ్రూప్ లో మెసేజ్ చేయండి.
Okay, beta.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
chalo. Chalo, kindly mute yourself, na, and we will have our discussion.
Sir, when will class start?
అన్నా రామన్న, కెన్ యూ అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్? మ్యూట్ లో పడింది.
Okay, friends, just tell me the differences in the screen that you can see in this image. Chalo, let me help you. So first difference is beta.
Addition number 3.
Yes, this is the first difference. Yes.
Voice, please.
Sir, up 2 plus 2, down 2 plus 3, sir.
See, you type in your comments. I'm seeing all your comments. I can see all your comments. Just type it in your screen.
Sir,
Beta, tell me.
smiling.
Yeah. Yes, boy's face smiling. That is very good. Second difference. Chalo, third one.
And duster.
Yeah, shabash, very good. Duster, expression of the boy, yeah, very good. Differences in the face, yes. So duster, yes. Yes.
The duster and
The shoes of the lady. See. Shoes of the lady, if you can see. See.
socks.
Socks. Yes, shabash, very good. Socks. Chalo, we are late by 5 minutes. We should.
The shoes.
Yes, see. Yes, shoes of the
Boy
boy.
shoes,
Yes.
sir.
Boy shoes.
Yes, better. Yes, you are right.
Sir, star
Chalo,
means girl, man.
Yes, sir. Stars are not in order. Star.
Okay, beta, completed, beta. Only 5 differences are there.
Yeah, you do one thing.
Chalo.
See, ఒకేసారి అందరు చెప్పే కంటే మీరు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now everyone mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Share your screen, sir. I cannot see your screen.
Yeah, already screen is being shared already.
So friends, chalo, we will start our topic. So we will start with additions, basic additions. Okay. So we have, what are the digits we have? We have digits from 0 to 9 in our numbers. What are the digits? There are 0 to 9. So how many digits totally 0 to 9? If we totally, there are
10, sir.
10 digits totally. There are
10 digits, sir.
10 digits, yes. So we have a concept called base 10. In Vedic math. So what is base 10 concept? We will see in our next slide. So can you please answer me this question? What is the maximum value when 2 digits are added? What is the maximum value when 2 digits are added? So just
19.
type it in the type box. Just type it in your chat box. Chalo.
You just keep typing. I will be reading out one by one. 18. Achyut 18. Rahul
18.
18.
18, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Puneet
beta.
19.
Yes, it's 18.
లైక్ ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ పిన్ చేయాలి. సీడ్ అనే స్క్రీన్ పిన్ చేయాలి. ప్రెజెంట్ చేస్తున్న స్క్రీన్ పిన్ చేస్తే నీకు కనిపిస్తుంది.
పిన్ చేసిన నాట్ స్క్రీనింగ్.
రెండోది కూడా ఉంటదమ్మా, చూడు 2 స్క్రీన్లు ఉంటాయి కదా. ఆ 2 స్క్రీన్ లో ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఇది రాకపోతే రెండో దాని మీద క్లిక్
సార్ పింక్ చేసే కూడా ప్రొఫైల్ ఫోటోనే వస్తుంది.
అదే సార్ ప్రొఫైల్ వస్తుంది, నాట్ స్క్రీన్.
సార్ ఎస్ఆర్ ప్రొఫైల్ వస్తుంది సార్. రావట్లేదు, నాకు కనబడుతుంది
సార్.
I can see, sir.
సార్ ఆటోకి వెళ్ళి దాని తర్వాత పిన్ చేయొచ్చు అప్పుడు, ఎందుకంటే ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చూపిస్తాయి ఆటోలో.
ఓకే
Gallery,
Beta, see.
వాల్ పేపర్ ఒకటే కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
See, మొత్తం
I think you can see my screen కదా. చూడండి బెటా.
సీట్ ఉందో ఆ సీట్ కింద ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అని ఉంటది.
Sir, yes, sir, I can see. Nine.
Yeah.
Now see,
Sir, yes,
tell
sir,
me
coming,
what is
sir.
the maximum single digit number is?
Answer is 18.
80.
So 9 plus 9, the maximum single digit number is 8. 9, sorry, 9. So 9 plus 9, what is 9 plus 9? 18. Yes, so many of you
18.
have already said the right answer. 18. Shabash, very good.
There are
18.
lots of responses.
So-
18, 18, 18, 18, 18.
Yes. Very good, very good. Okay, chalo, we will see the addition tables. Addition tables are, what does addition tables mean is same in the way of multiplication. We will do the additions. So if you add two numbers, for example, if you add two numbers, for example, 2 plus 5,
7.
2 plus 5, yes, 7.
7.
7.
sir.
So 7.
2 plus
So when you add any two numbers, yes beta, when we add any two numbers, if we have no carry or remainder, then we call those numbers as natural numbers. Okay, see if you can see my screen. I think you all can see my screen. So the box or the steps way is there, the box inside it. So inside it, in the లోపల ఉన్నవన్నీ నాన్ న్యాచురల్ అనొచ్చు మనం. అంటే the summation of those two digits will be greater than 10. The summation of those two digits will be greater than 10. Yes. Now what we will do is, you should use a concept. Now we will come to a concept called end numbers. Before that, we will do some exercise and followed by next topic. Now is addition table with few blanks. So I will round off the box and you should tell me the number in this box. Chalo, just don't speak, just put it in the
11.
comment.
11.
Just put it in the comment. 11, very good.
11.
Do it very fast. Okay, now this one.
14. 14.
Okay, 14. Shashi, Kiran, Shashi have said it right. And this one.
14, sir. 11, sir.
See,
See,
chat
next
box
box I have
type
changed
చేయండి.
the box.
14.
Better do it.
Achyut
7
14,
plus 7 is 14.
14.
Yes,
Any
this
other
one.
14.
12, sir. 12. 12.
Yeah. Oh, type it in your chat box. I can't see. Yes, Rohini have typed this. Yes. Varshit have typed
Typing
this.
in chat
Yes.
box.
Very good. Now this one. Chalo, better tell me this one. 6 plus 8. What is 6 plus 8? Yes, Shabash. Very good. So last one. Tell me this one.
16, sir. 16, sir.
I can't see any numbers in your chat. Yes, chat में type करना चाहिए. You should type it in your chat box. Don't tell me. Okay, chalo. Last.
ఒకేసారి
This is one.
చెప్తే
Tell me what is 10 plus 4?
chat box లో టైప్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
14.
Shabash, very good. So this is the last one for today. Chalo, tell me this one. Type it in the chat box. Shabash beta, 19.
19,
I can see where your answers are very fast. Shabash beta. So this is one of the best and most important concepts, additions. If you want to add any number, we will use a concept called end number. So just type end number in the chat. Just type end number in the chat so that you won't. Yes, end number. Yes, n number. Now we will start. What does this n number mean? Beta see. So what does n number mean? If we add any, okay beta, okay stop. Just listen now. If we add any two single digit numbers, for example, 7 plus 7. So it's a natural number or not a natural number? Just type it in the box. Is it a natural number? Yes or no? Just type it.
Natural number, sir. Unnatural
No.
number, sir. 14.
It's not natural. Yes. Okay, beta. As per our discussion, if we add two numbers,
14. Sir,
beta,
14.
yes, beta. I said you
14,
already.
sir,
Don't speak it in the mic. Yeah, just put it in the chat box. Now let me tell you. Na.
See, మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటే చాట్ బాక్స్ లో టైప్ చేయండి.
Beta, because ఇంకా
వేరే వాళ్ళు
remaining also get
చెప్పలేదు.
disturbed. Na. Okay,
Yeah.
beta. You are right, beta. See, when you add two numbers, now from now on, you should say is, yes, Sriman said it right. So when you add two numbers, Govindula, you are doing wrong thing, beta. See, you are presenting your screen. Can you unmute your? Can you stop presenting your screen?
Cancel. Yeah, there. Stop screen sharing. Not resume. Stop screen sharing అని ఉంటుంది.
మా గోపిచంద్ చూడమ్మ ఒకసారి.
Hello.
Stop. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, no one is presenting.
Beta, can you see my? Okay, beta. Beta, don't on your presentations, beta. Is it new for you to Google Meet or what? Actually, you are presenting the screen so that it's getting disturbed to the class. Kada?
Yeah.
Just
We shall do one thing.
Chalo.
Tomorrow, let us have the sessions in Zoom.
Okay, we will see
So
that way. That would be fine. If we do in Zoom, then it's just for 45 minutes. That would be also the bit problem. Okay, chalo. Let's complete it first. See, beta. Now, what is 7 plus 7 is 14. But as per the concept of n number, don't tell carries. From now on, what you should say, you should leave one and you should say what is 7 plus 7? It's 4. Okay. So we call this concept as n number. Okay. Now this way, let's practice some questions. So what is 8 plus 7? Use the concept of n number. Chalo, tell me 8 plus 7 is 5. Shabash, very good. Do it. Let's do it fast. Chalo. Same way. What is 9 plus 4? What is the n number for 9 plus 4?
Kitchen is again sharing.
Who is Anil?
3.
Sir, please warn them if they are sharing. You tell them that you will be removing them. Otherwise, they'll continue doing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. I think they are new to the Google Meet platform and they're a bit confusing with what to do. That's why I guess, okay, we will do that way only then. Okay, beta, let's continue. Chalo, tell me what is 9 plus 4? What is the n number for 9 plus 4? I can't see you. Oh, yes, beta. 3, Shabash. Very good. Most of them are right. Okay, Shabash, beta. Chalo, what is 3 plus 9? 3 plus 9? 2. Very good. Okay. Now, what is 7 plus 6? 7 plus 6 is?
5.
Beta, 7 plus 6, 5 kaisa hoga? Ella avutundamma 7 plus 7, 14. 7 plus 6 enta?
3.
Beta, correct. Meer type cheyali. You should put it in the chat box, na?
Lots of messages. 2. Priyanka.
3. Yes, 3. So, Shabash. Very good. You are
Sir,
very
if you are
speed,
the
yeah?
host, you can mute everyone, right?
No, ma'am, there is no flexibility for that. Actually, in meeting, they can in Zoom we can do that, but we can't do in this. That's what the problem. No issues. Chalo, we will see the next. Chalo, beta, we will see the next. You just put it in the chat box. That will be available for all. So what we do is, now we will practice with double digit plus single digit. What we do is double digit plus single digit. So in Vedic maths or speed maths, what we do is we always do our addition from left to right. In the sense, let me tell you.
1 to 10.
Okay. For example, if you see this question 37, second question, beta. If you can follow my marker, see this question we are doing. See, okay. 37 plus 6. 37 plus 6. So now what we do according to Vedic maths or our speed maths is, first we solve from left to right. So what you need to do, you need to take 3 and write it over here. 3. You should take 3 and write it over here. And see the next sum. It is 7 plus 6. So we will have a carry. Yes or no?
Itraila, end of number for Anton.
Yes, we will have a carry. So we will cancel this 3 and we will write it as 4. And what is the n number for 7 plus 6?
From ones place, no sir, you started from
Yes beta, actually in our Vedic maths or in our speed maths, now on we will do our additions from left to right, because if we do our additions from left to right, there is an advantage, right? See, if someone asks you what is some addition, then you can say their answer fastly, you can reply to them fastly. You will feel comfortable when you solve some questions, you will feel comfortable with this. Just solve with me and you will feel comfortable this way. See, just solve with me. So what is the n number for 7 plus 6? I can see in the chat box most of you have already answered it. Yes, n number for 7 plus 6 is 3. Shabash. So in the same way, can you fill the remaining answers for me? What is 28 plus 7? When you solve it from left to right, what we will get? When you solve it from left to right, what you will get? First number is 3. First number is, actually what we do, we will put, okay, let me clear my screen and show you. See, what is it? 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7. So what we do, first we will put the number 2 as it is. First we do put the number 2 as it is, and we will look for the next number. What is 8 plus 7? What is 8 plus 7? So it is not a natural addition, so we will have a carry. So we will cancel 2, and we will write 3. And what is the n number for 8 plus 7? What is the n number for 8 plus 7? Can't see your answers. Yes, shabash. Yes, I can see now. 5. So we will write 5. So your answer will be 35. If you have a natural number, this is way more simple. See the next question, 34 plus 4. 34 plus 4. What you do first? What you will do? You put 3 as it is first, and see, you put 3 as it is. Yes, answer is 38. We will add the end number. End number of 4 plus 4 is 8. We don't have any carry for that. So answer is 38. So is it clear till now? Clear?
Yes sir.
Any doubts? You can raise your hand or you can put. Beta.
Sir.
So we will have these 4 questions as. Okay, beta. We will see this one question for once more. No problem. See this. 54 plus 6. 54 plus 6. We will see this question. See first what you need to do now. 54 plus 6. So you got the number 54 plus 6. First, step 1. See, we will solve always from left to right. We will solve always from left to right. So yes, so we will put the 5 as it is. So please practice this way only, because when you go for higher additions, this would be your best way to solve. So we put 5 as it is, and see the next two numbers. It is 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is not a natural addition, so we will have a carry. So what is 5 plus 1? It is 6. What is 5 plus 1? It is 6. So we will put 6 here. And what is the end number for 6 plus 4? Tell me this answer. Yes, Shahida Sheikh have given the right answer. What is the end number for 6 plus 4? 0. Shabash. 0. Yes. 0.
Sir.
Okay. Shabash beta. 0. Correct. So the remaining 3 questions we will do it as an assignment for our.
Second one 5.
Yes, beta. We'll see this in our group. I will put it and just type your answers and practice it. Okay. Chalo, let me go to the. Okay, just do the last question and put it in the chat box for me. Chalo, what is 95 plus 7? 95 plus 7. Do it in the regular way.
1 or 2.
Do it in the beta. Okay, just type it in the chat box, beta.
1 or
That
2.
would be good, na? 1 or 2. Yes. What is the n number for 5 plus 7? End number for 5 plus 7. What is it? Just put it in the chat box.
2.
2. Shabash, very good. 2, it's 2. Okay. Now till now I think I am clear, right? Chalo. We are lacking of time. We are 6 now. Time is already 6 now. Chalo. So we will see the next concept. It is doubling plus double digits plus double digit. So it is very simple. First we will see non-carry numbers. Non-carry numbers ante what does non-carry numbers mean? These numbers won't have any additions. Matlab ante we don't have any carry for them. So this is very simple, right? So let's solve the first question. What is 34?
Question answer is 66.
Yes, beta. Just type
66
it
is
in the
at
chat box.
66.
Yeah,
Beta,
please type it in
please
the chat
don't.
box.
Beta, please don't talk, yaar. But it would be some disturbance for our other friends, na? That would be disturbance for other friends. Please, okay? See, now we will see this question. Okay, yes, 66. Most of you have said it right. So in the same way, can you say the second question? Second question. Yes, 94. Can you tell the end now? Okay, third question. Same way, third question. Yeah, you are very fast, yaar. Shahida, very good.
Very fast.
One by one. Third question answer. It's 1 or 2. Very good. What is the answer for fourth question? 94, 95 plus 91.
186. Yeah.
Shabash beta, very good. Most of you are right. Chalo, tell me this last question now. 88 plus 91. 88 plus 91. This one question for me. And we will go to our... I can't get right answers. Okay, now I can see them. Tejas, we have said it right. Rohit Verma, very good. And Gauri, Shabash beta, very good. Chalo. Now we will go for next part that is double digit plus double digit with a carry combination. See beta, just now listen very carefully. See now. Govindala, you raise your hand. If you have any doubt, just tell me, or else if no doubt, just drop your hand beta. Any doubt, Govindala, just speak. Okay, beta, assume you have no doubt. I think it's for some mistake with screen or something. Okay, beta, see.
One moment. హారతి గారు లైక్ హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేశారు. మేడం మాట్లాడండి. హలో. Pavni, can you please stop sharing? Yeah. Stop sharing. Yeah.
Okay, see, the first one is 90 beta. Let me explain you. See, chalo. We will see. I assume that you don't have any doubts. Okay, chalo. Now we will see this first question. What is 5 plus 3? What is 5 plus 3? We will solve from left to right, right?
Sir, 9, sir.
Beta, what is 5 plus 3? First tell me that. Arey yaar, you are going 2 steps ahead.
8.
Just type it in the chat box. Shabash, very good. 8. Most of you are right. 8. So what you do, you will write 8 first. So let me decrease the size of my text. Yes, beta, it's 8. So now we will see the next 2 digits from the left. What is 8 plus 7? 8 plus 7 is not a natural addition, right? So what we'll do for 8? We will cut 8 or we will cancel 8. Actually, we should do it in your mind only. I am showing you this addition and cutting all this. This will take your extra time. First, you should see from left to right. It is 8. And then you should keep in your mind. You should see next one. And it is 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7, you have a carry. So directly put 9 over here. Okay, 9 over here. And what is 8 plus 7? Tell me the end number for 8 plus 7 in the chat box.
0.
No, beta, you are wrong. Govindala, you are wrong, and just type it in the type box, beta. Yes, 5. Most of you are right, beta. Shabash.
Telling 5.
Tejaswani, Sridhar. Yes, beta. See? Arey yaar, chat to follow kar do. Yaar, you should see our chat box. You should follow our friends also, no? Chalo, 95. Shabash. Very good. Chalo, now tell me the next question. 34 plus 67. So first tell me what is 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Very good. And we will have a carry, right? Yes or no? You will have a carry. Yes. So after carry, it will be 10. And what is the end number for 7 plus 4? 1. Yes, most of you are already given your answers. Yes, answer is 101. Shabash, very good. Your answer is 101. Okay, okay, okay. We will do the, tell me the last question. What is 82 plus 19? 82 plus 19, last second question, beta. So first we will do, follow the procedure and come from basics, because when we do large additions, na, this will be very much helpful for us. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Keep 9 in the mind. And what we do, we will see the next number. And in the next, okay, let me tell you this way. Let me tell you for this one question how to do it. See, 82 plus 19. So first what you do, you will see what is 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 and so first you will see what is 8 plus, sorry, 8 plus 1 is 9. Put it in your mind, 9. Don't write 9. Next, see the next numbers. It is 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, you have a carry. So you take and you write 10 directly. And what is the n number for 9 plus 2? It is 1. Yes, most of you have said it right. Very good. So answer will be 101. Very good, beta. Very good. Your answers are right. Likita, Sriman, okay, Bhavani, Sheikh. Okay, most of you are right. Tell me the last answer in the chat box and we will go for the next, that is 3 digits plus 3 digits. Chalo.
91.
91.
Last
Just
one.
type it in your chat box, beta. Very good. 91 is the right answer. Shabash, very good. Okay, now we will go to the next part. So this is the practice sheet I will give you for your, in our group, so that you will practice and come perfectly with to tomorrow's class. So we will see the last part for today, and we will see the last part for today, beta. That is 3 triple digit plus triple digit. See, let me tell you one question. After that, we will see the remaining part. Okay. See, it's very simple. First, we will do one question, and you follow me, and we will go for the next question. Okay, beta. See. So let me see the first question. See, it is 254 plus 328. 328. What you do first, as we did, how we will do our addition, from right to left or left to right? Chalo, type it in the chat box. If it is right to left, right. In our maths, we will do it from R to T or T, R to L or L to T, right?
Sir, left to right.
Yes, shabash, very good. We will do it from left to right. Yes, L to R. So we will start our first. So what we will do, we will see what is 2 plus 3. It's 5, and we will see the next two numbers. What are the next two numbers? 5 and 2. So it's a natural addition. So we will write directly, it is 5. So next we will go for the next number. That is 5. Beta, tell me, Anil.
Sir, answer is 582.
Beta, chalo. First tell me na. All our friends should also learn it na. Chalo. Let me tell you one question, and you should tell me remaining also. Same this way. You should be this fast with remaining questions also. Let me show you how we will do this in basic. Okay. So next, what is 7? 5 plus 2 is. Chalo. Just help me. 5 plus 2 is how much? 7.
7.
5 plus 2 is how much? 7. So you will see the next two numbers, that is 8 plus 4. Is it a natural addition? No. So we will add 1 for 7. We will cancel a 7 and we'll write it as 8. And what is the end number for 8 plus 4? What is the end number for 8 plus 4? 2. Shabash, most of you are right. 2. So your answer is 582. Most of you have already said it right. I am just brushing you. Yes. Chalo, now tell me the next question. Next question answer to chat box mein likhna chahiye. Chalo, type it fast. Type the next question answer in the chat box.
Sir, answer is 823.
Beta, I said you to type it in the chat box. You are telling your answers.
If you
But
know
type
the
it in the
answer,
chat
just
box.
keep
Come
typing
on,
in the
beta.
chat box. Yeah.
Shabash beta, most of you are already right. Yes, 823.
many of the people
And
are,
tell me the one last answer
I
for
think
me.
823,
La-
823.
Shabash beta, see the flow of the 823 is going on. Chalo,
Yeah.
694 plus 458. Last answer, last question. This one also you should tell me. Chalo. Yes. Okay, most of you are already given your answers. They are right. Okay, we are completed with 3-digit additions, 3-digit single additions. So till now, do you have any doubt in this part? Just raise your hand so that I can ask you personally.
One
Okay,
by one.
till now. Okay, beta. One by one, you can raise your hand. I will ask you personally. No issues. I can't see anyone raising your hands. Okay, Achut, you have raised your hand. Okay, Achut. Okay, unmute yourself, beta. Can you ask your doubt now?
Sir, in additions, in single digit, you said that we're adding 8 plus 7, which is
Yes,
15,
beta.
and digit is 5. And we'll
Yes,
put
beta.
one bracket to, sir.
Beta, one bracket in the sense we will remember ourselves that there is a carry. You should not write one and you should not put bracket, okay?
Okay, sir. I thought that if you write 1 in bracket, 1 into 5 is just 5.
No, beta, no. What? Very good question, beta. Actually, if I put something in bracket or if I cancel it, then remember that is not included in that particular part. So you should put it in your mind and you should proceed. I am showing you so that you will know there is one, it's there, because that is the first part of n numbers, that is why. So I think I got your answer. Zarina, beta, tell me what is your doubt.
Sir, explain, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta, I will tell it once again. Once again, I will tell it. Okay, I will ask one more person who is having doubt and I will explain it. Tejasvi, what is your doubt, beta? Tejasvi, just unmute yourself, beta. What is your doubt?
Join randomly, sir, at 6 o'clock.
Okay, beta. Beta, you are late, na? That would not explain me. Okay, I will tell this concept as our Zarina also didn't get it. We will tell it once again. Okay, beta. So, Anil, what is your doubt? I will tell this concept once more for 2 minutes. Okay, we will listen to Anil what is his problem and we will tell. Beta, Anil, unmute yourself and tell me what is your doubt, beta. And Anil, are you there? Okay, I think Anil is clear with me.
Sir, sorry by mistake.
Yeah.
Okay, beta, no problem.
And
Ramakoteshwar Rao. Beta, Ram, do you have any doubt? You raised your hand. Just unmute yourself and I will tell you.
Sir, half an hour class not came, sir.
Beta, no problem. We will wrap it up in 2 minutes since most of our friends have already listened it. We don't make bore for them and we will say once again, okay? Chalo, now you should listen properly.
From tomorrow, come by 5:30, everyone.
Yes.
Okay,
beta, you should be in punctual na. Okay, na? Chalo. Okay, beta, just down your hand. I will tell it once again. So see.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta, no problem. See, can you see my screen now? So in addition, we will have a concept called end number. Addition low concept. There is a concept called end number. What is end number? End number in the sense, if you add any two numbers, for example, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 anta avutundi? 7 plus 9 is, chalo type it in the chat box. It is 16. But in our speed maths, what we do is, yes, 16, very good. In our speed maths, what we do is, we will put 1 in our mind. Manam 1 ni mind lo pettukoni, we will write it as 6 only. And we will use this carry. We will use this one for the next procedure. We will use this carry. Beta, Ramanu screen share చేస్తున్నావు అమ్మ చూడు. Okay, we will use this carry for the next procedure. That is, I think n number is clear with everyone. Andarki n number clear ena? Is everyone clear with n number? Just type S if you are clear with n number concept in the chat. Okay, beta. Bhavani amma, ni doubt entamma? Tell me what is your doubt, beta. Just unmute yourself. Okay. Okay, we will see one question that would make clear for you. అంటే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ చూస్తే మీకు క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది. Just see this example. Say this example. Can you see the screen? What is this? First question is 252. Sorry, it doesn't have any carry. We will see something other. Okay. So let me see other. So we will see the third question. Third question also don't have. Okay, beta. So let me give you one question then. See, if you can see my screen, question is 824 summation with 159. Okay, 159.
5
So
9. 2 plus 1 3. This is carry forward లేదు దీనికి.
Priyanka garu, madam, if you can unmute. Okay, thank you very much. Chalo beta, see now what we will do. We will solve in addition. We will solve from left to right in our very good. Already most of them are giving the answers. We will just tell it rapid fastly. So we will solve from left to right. It is 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? Tell me what is 8 plus 1. Chalo, we will do it slowly for our remaining press. 9. Very good. 9 we will write. And we will see for the next number, that is 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 ఎంత అవుతుంది? What is 2 plus 5? 7. It is a natural addition. Ante we do not have carry. So we will write 7 as it is. We will write 7 as it is. Shabash. Very good. Very good. Most of you are giving right answers. And you see the next number. You see the next number. What is 4 plus 9? 4 plus 9 entama? Tell me the n number for 4 plus 9. You are 3. You should say only n number and say it as a not a natural addition. So it is not a natural addition. So what you do, you cancel 7 and you write it as 8. And what is the n number for 9 plus 4? Most of you have said it right, Bhavani, and most of you have said it right. Very good, beta. It is 3. Your total answer is 983. 983. Very good, very good. You are very fast here. Okay. Now tomorrow we will see lengthy additions and followed by additions with a list form. Someday okay, 10 numbers or 50 numbers if they have given, how we will do that. Okay. And meanwhile we will go to the next favorite topic of mine, that is squares. Okay. Till now anyone have any doubt? Just raise your hand. I will clear that out and we will go to the next part of today. Just raise your hand if you have any doubt, or else just type no doubt. No will be fine. No doubt is okay, beta. Okay, Prashanti have raised your hand. Okay, most of you are clear.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Beta, raise your hand. I will come to you, beta. I will come to you. Okay, I can see who are raising your hands. Prashanti, beta, Prashanti, what is your doubt, beta? Tell me.
Sir, I'm Chakridhar, sir, and my doubt is, what if the carries are there in the first and second number, sir?
Beta, first number you don't take, it's a carry or something like that. What you do is, for example, as you have said, let me put it on a question for you. See, for example, it is 456 and tell me you have carry for first and second number, right? 6 and 6, 5 and 1. So you are asking something like this, kada? So what you do is, first, what is 6 plus 4? 4 plus 6, it is 10. So write 10 as it is only. 10 ni alane rasko, write 10 as it is, and see the next number. What is 5 plus 5? It is 10. So what you do, the end number, you remember the end number, and it is not a natural addition. So write the before number as 1. And what is the end number for 5 plus 5? It is 0. It is 0. But don't leave, we have 0. And we have one more topic for today and we will leave after that only. Okay. Now tell me, what is the number for 6 plus 7? What is the, it's a natural addition. Natural addition. Sorry, 6 plus 1 is 7. Sorry, but 6 plus 1 is 7. So, so this way we will get your answer. So Prashanti, beta Chakradhar, amma neeku doubt clear? Did you have any doubt now?
Yes, sir.
Beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Shabash. Okay, no problem, amma. Okay, now we will see our next topic since no one is raising your hand. So this is one of my vision to tell you in this course. That is, you will learn 1 to 100 squares. 1 to 100 squares. So what is a square? Square ante enti? Chapandi. You can square. You can. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, beta.
1 to 10 squares are built.
Okay, beta. Most of you are right. So let me tell you. Okay, unmute yourself so that I will tell you. Okay, beta. Square ante, what we do in square is a number multiplied with itself. A number, yes, a multiplication of number by itself. Very good. 4 sides are equal. Okay, beta. That is geometry, kada. So we are getting in the sense of arithmetics. For example, a number called 2 is multiplied with itself. A number called 2 is multiplied with itself.
4, sir.
Yes, it is 2 square. That is, what is 2 square? Chalo type it in the chat box. Chat box में type करना है. Type box lo chat चेंडी. Sorry, chat box lo type चेंडी. 4. Yes, most of you are already said right. 4. Shabash, very good. So in this way, we will learn all 100 squares very fast. Very fast. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Okay, beta. But it is not a small thing. So we will learn sum by sum. Konchanga. We will learn little by little, and we will complete 100 squares by the end of our course. Okay, by the end of our 6 days course. Chalo. Now what you need to tell me is, you have one biggest work. Your biggest work is, you should tell me squares from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Chalo, tell me what is square for 2. 2 square anta, already you have said me that. Typed in the chat box. 2, yes. Most of you are right. What is 3 square?
9.
9. Shabash, very good. What is 4 square?
16.
That is 4 into 4.
8.
60. Beta, 8 kadamma. Ante 4 square ante 4 into 4 cheyali. 4 into.
Okay.
Shabash, beta. 16. Chalo, tell me what is 5 square?
25.
25.
Type it in the chat box, beta. Okay, very good. 25. What is 6 square? Chalo, tell me.
36.
36. Shabash, beta. 36. Tell me the 7 square now. Okay, most of you are very fast, yeah. 7 square is 49. 56 kadamma. 56 tappu type చేశారు చూడండి. 7 square అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? We will multiply 7 with which digit? 7. 7 sevens are. Okay. Yes, 49. Absolute. Yes, beta. 7 sevens are 49. And what is 8 square? 8 square anta? 8 square. 64. 64. Shabash, very good. What is 9 square, beta? 9 square anta? 81. Yes. Yes, super. Arey yaar, you are making my work very easy. Now that you have no 10 squares. Ipu 10 square anta cheppandi. What is 10 square? 100. Very good. 100. So we have learned till 100 now. So 100. 1 to 10 squares అయిపోయాయి మనకి. So now మన టార్గెట్ లో ఎన్ని అయిపోయాయి ఇప్పుడు? 10 squares. We have completed 10 squares. కాబట్టి we have left with 90 now. So how many we are left with? 19, right? So we need to learn remaining 90 only. Very less. Chalo. But let me tell you something. We have, if you know squares from 1 to 10, then you can tell the squares from 10, 20. You can tell this also. 10 square anta amma? 10 square? 100. 100. Alane 20 square. What is 20 square?
120. 400.
కాదు బేటా, చూడండి. So I will tell you very simple. 400. Nothing. What you need to do is, see if any number you know square. చూడండి 20. ఒక 20 చెప్తాను, మిగిలినవి మీరే చెప్పాలి నాకు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో. So see this. So if you are given with 20, so what is 2 square? What is 2 square, beta? 4. Yes. So now see how many zeros are left with. Any zeros ఉన్నాయి? Remaining how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 400. Put that 2 zeros beside it. So 400.
Okay.
Yes, beta, you are right. Shabash, very good. Chalo. Now what you do is tell me what is 30 square then. 30 square ento cheppandi. Tell me 30.
900.
900. Shabash. What is 40 square? Shabash Achyut. You are giving very right answer. Very good. Yes, 1600. Yes.
Sorry, 1200.
No beta. No. What is 4 square? 4 square I should tell you again. Huh? No problem. See? 4 square anta avutundamma. 4 square is 16 kada.
1600.
Yes beta. 16. And you add 2 zeros for that. Yes beta. 1600. Just type it in the type box. Okay beta. Now
Seeker,
what is 5?
Seeker, do you have any
50.
doubt? You raised the hand.
2500. 2500.
2500.
Yes beta. Shabash. Very good. Very good. Chalo. What is 60 square? 60 square anta cheppandi now. Tell me. 3600. Very good.
100.
What is 70 square now? 70 square.
4900.
Type it in the chat box. Low. I can't see the answers in the chat box. You're just telling me only. Okay, Shabash, chat box. Yes, very good. What is 80 square?
6400. 6400.
64. Yes, very good.
400.
What is 90 square?
8100.
8100.
Yeah.
Shabash, very good. 8100. What is 100 square?
10,000. 10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
Shabash. Shabash, beta. 10,000. So now that we have completed till 10,000. Mottam any squares? How many squares did we learn? We learned 20 squares till now. So 1 to 10 complete ayayi. We should be completed from 1 to 10. And we have seen the simple technique that 10, 20, 30, how to do these squares also. Okay. Okay. Now since time is 6:31, we will have 5 more minutes for class, and we will see this part, and we will continue tomorrow. So now see friends, this is the best concept. Now next concept vachesi square of a numbers that are ending with 5. Means if you have given with a number 5 with ending, those squares, see the numbers are, tell me what are the numbers. See if you can see my screen. 15 square, 35. Beta are mute yourself now. Beta mute yourself ra. Are Anil, okay beta, okay. Okay. Chalo. Shabash, you are right here. Now let me give me one chance. Okay, okka chance. Let me give me one chance so that I can also explain. Chalo. So now 15 square is 225. It is very simple. So in Vedic maths, we say when the units digits sum is equal to 10. When the units digit sum is equal to 10, and when the tens digits are same. So we will use a concept. This is as follows. When unit digits are 10, dasataha, 10 bole to 10 kada, 5 plus 5, 10. So you put on the square of 5 directly. What is 5 square? Type it in the chat box. What is 5 square? Type it in the chat box. 5 square is 25. Shabash, very good. Type 25 directly. 25. Now next what you do for the tens place, you do is eka adikena purvena means what? For the tens digit, you will take the number next to it. What is the number after 1 in the series?
1 tarvata
in the natural number.
225. 25 square undi nannu. 20.
So beta. Yes, 2. So that is you multiply 1 with 2. So 1 2s are kitna hai beta? What is 1 into 2?
ఎందుకు ఆ రూమ్ లో కూడా మంచి పడి ఉంది కదా
Beta, Anil kodiga unmute cheskama. 2, yes, 1 2s are 2. So your answer is 225. Simple kada, 225. We will see one more example. If you have any doubt with that, we will clear. Okay na? See this one. We will see one more example beta. See, this is 25 into 25. Beta, 25 into 25. What is our first step? We need to check that units place dasataha unda leda, is it 10 or not? Yes, units place we have 10. So first condition is valid. So is the tens place have the same number? Tens place lo same number unda leda? Yes or no? Type in the chat. Yes. So now we will use our method. So first what we will do, we will write 25 as it is, and next what is the number 2 multiplied? 2 tarvata vache natural number entama? What is number after 2? 3. Very good. So multiply 2 with 3. What is 2 3s are? Rendu mulla 2 3s are enta? 6. Very good. So your final answer will be 625. Your final answer will be 625. Okay na? Chalo. Now that in the sense, tell me what is 35 square. Put it in the chat box. Don't tell me, just put it in the chat box. I am reading your chats. I will tell your answers are correct or not. Yes, 1225. Yes, Shaida, Prashanti, Achut, most of you are right. Very good, very, very good. Chalo. Now tell me what is now 45 square. What is 45 square? Tell me what is 45 square? Yes, 20. Amma Likita Chudamma, you are mistaken. Now you should do 4 into 5 kada? 4 into 5. Beta. Shabash beta, very good. 2025, that is 2025. Shabash beta, very good. Amma Likita, clarity వచ్చింది కదా? Did you get the clarity? Zeba, very good. And Priyanka, very good. Okay beta. Okay. 20. Chalo, tell me what is 65 square then? 65 square. I skipped 55. Remember, very good. Very good. 65 square. Very good. Shabash, you are very good. Very good. 4225. Very good. Very good. Shabash beta, you are very good. Right. Yeah, you are very fast learners, yeah. I am a fast learner. You quoted yourself that way, right? Okay, chalo. Tell me what is 85 square? 85 square then? 85 square. Put it in the chat box. Varshit amma, okkasari.
7,225, sir.
Anna, Varshit, ఏంటమ్మా నీ డౌట్? అమ్మ
సార్ ఈ టాపిక్ టెక్నిక్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా?
ఓకే బేటా, చెప్దాం ఒకసారి. ఓకేనా? Okay friends, one of our friend have doubt na, we will discuss it one more time. Very simple kada concept. ఈ చెప్పి మన క్లాస్ ని క్లోజ్ చేసేద్దాం ఈ రోజుకి. ఓకే, see now beta, what is the concept ki requirement enti? ఈ concept we have 2 rules to satisfy, 2 conditions. Okay, for example, let me take any example. Okay, let me tell any number, that is 45 తీసుకుందామా? 45 into 45. Beta, 45 into 45. Okay, so 45 into 45. So the first condition is, what is the first condition? Dasataha. What is dasataha? The tens digit of them should be addition. How much should be the addition of the tens digit? 11 or 12? Put it in the chat box.
Sir,
10. Beta, Varshit చెప్పమ్మా, what is the addition of tens digit? Tens rendu tens, sorry, ones digit amma. Ones digit ni renditni add cheyi 10. Shabash beta, 10. So tens digit lo, sorry, ones digit lo summation 10 undali. That is the first condition. And second condition is, your number in the tens digit should be same. Number in the tens digit should be same. Should ikkada rendu, both the numbers are 4 only.
yes sir.
Yes or no? Yes, very good. So now what you do is, directly you put the last 2 digits as 25. You put the last 2 digits as 25. And in Vedic maths we call a term called Eka Adhikena Purvena. Eka Adhikena Purvena, it is a sub-sutra. What we do is, in that case, 4 will be multiplied with the preceding number. What is the number after 4? Beta, what is the number after 4? Yes, Shahida, you are right. Your answer is right. Varshit, tell me if you are online. What is the number after 4? 4 tarvata vache number enti? 5. Very good. 5. Very good. 5. So what is 4 multiplied with 5? 4 into 5 entamma? 4 into 5.
Sir, 20.
ఎస్ బేటా 20 20 అలా రాయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 25 ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఎస్ బేటా యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 2025. ఓకేనా? ఓకే బేటా, ఎవరికన్నా ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? వి విల్ సీ వన్ లాస్ట్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్ కాంపిటేటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ వి విల్ వైండ్ అప్. Okay, this would be your homework and tomorrow I will ask the answer for that. But if you have any doubts till now, just raise your hand so that I will get clarified with you beta.
Okay,
Amma
sir.
1925 denikama beta 95 into 95 meer petledu, just put it in the chat. What is 95 into 95? Yes, already one of the person have put it in the chat. Okay, what is 95 into 95? Yes, Varshit, tell me what is 95 into 95 then. You have got it right?
Sir, 9025.
Shabash beta, very good, very good. Chalo, now that you have 9025, yes, that's right. Beta, we will see the remaining part tomorrow. Now what we will do is I will show you one of the previous questions, competitive questions, tricky questions on TV. So this is the question. If you have screenshot, you can take the screenshot of this, and this is the question for you. You should answer the question tomorrow. So this is previous year IAS question 1995 లో వచ్చింది. Most of you have not born for that time. ఇంకా పుట్టి కూడా ఉండరు. But okay, chalo beta, can you see my screen right? Chalo, just take the screenshot of it and tell me the answer tomorrow. We will discuss the answer tomorrow. Or else I will put it in the group, no problem with that. నేను గ్రూప్ లో పెడతానులేండి, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. ఓకే బేటా.
స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కొట్టుకున్నాం సార్.
Okay beta, anything will be fine. Okay beta, thank you for your time. చూడన్నా 43 మెంబర్స్ లైవ్ లో ఉన్నారు. అమ్మ లాస్ట్ వరకు ఉండాలమ్మా. అమ్మ చెప్పమ్మా.
95 and 95, what is the answer, sir?
బేటా 95 into 95 మనం కాన్సెప్ట్ చూసుకున్నాం కదమ్మా.
సార్ ఒకసారి
చూడండి
ఆ
మనం
క్వశ్చన్ పెడతారా? సార్ ఒకసారి ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పెడతారా నాకు?
బేటా నేను స్క్రీన్ షాట్ గ్రూప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేస్తానమ్మా, ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? మన ఫ్రెండ్ ఎవరు
ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా.
చేస్తావా? ఓకే ఒకసారి బేటా చెప్. ఓకే మనం చూద్దాం రేపు దాని ఆన్సర్ చూద్దాం. ఒకసారి 95 into 95 చూసి ఐ విల్ గో దేర్ అండ్ వి విల్ ప్రొసీడ్ బేటా. ఒక్క నిమిషం. 95 into అమ్మా ఒక్కసారి ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే హ్యాండ్ రేస్ చేయండి. వి విల్ కంప్లీట్ ఇట్, విల్ ర్యాప్ ఇట్. టైం చాలా అయిపోయింది ఇప్పటికే. సో 95 into 95 ఏం చేయాలి? చలో టెల్ మీ, యూ షుడ్ టెల్ మీ దిస్. చలో ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వి విల్ డూ, విల్ మల్టిప్లై 9 with 10. 9 into 10 and we will put 25 at the ending. That's it కదా? చెప్పండి 9 into 10 ఎంత?
How 25 sir?
బేటా చూడు
9 into 10 90 sir.
Yes beta. See beta, raise your
9025 is the answer.
Shabash, very good. Let me answer our friend question. Bhavani, amma chudamma. Are beta see 5 last లో 5 ఉంది కదా. What we will do is we will multiply 5 into 5 first. So 5 into 5 ఎంతమ్మా? Tell me what is 5 into 5? 25. Yes. So that way ప్రతి ఆన్సర్ ఎండింగ్ లో 25 వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ప్రతి ఆన్సర్ ఎండింగ్ లో 25 వస్తుంది. అలానే 9 తర్వాత 9 into 10 90 కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి 9025 అంటే 9025 వస్తుందమ్మా. ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎవరికి ఏం డౌట్స్ లేవు కదా బేటా? ఒకసారి ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే 1 minute టైం ఉంది, హ్యాండ్ రేస్ చేయండి, క్లాస్ లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోదాం. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏం డౌట్స్ లేవు కదా? బేటా చెప్పమ్మా.
ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో దాని తర్వాత నెంబర్ ని పక్కన వేసుకోవాలా?
శబాష్ బేటా, అంతే. దాని తర్వాత నెంబర్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, పక్కన వేసుకుని, అంతే బేటా. బేటా
ఇంకొకటి, హలో, స్మాల్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్. సో ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్ వరకు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, సో దీస్ పీపుల్ విల్ బి కంటిన్యూడ్ ఫర్ టుమారో సెషన్. సో మీకు ఆ వాట్సాప్ లింక్ ఒకటి గ్రూప్లో షేర్ చేసాను. ఆ లింక్ యూజ్ చేసి ఆ గ్రూప్లోకి జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
బేటా లాస్ట్ వరకు ఉండాలి కదా బేటా? మీరు ఉంటున్నారు, మధ్యలో లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోతున్నారు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే బేటా, ఒక 6 days కోర్స్ కదా మీరు.
ఆప్షన్ డి కదా.
బేటా వి విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇట్ టుమారో బేటా. ఓకే, యూపీఎస్సీ క్వశ్చన్ కొంచెం ఉండిద్ది, ట్రై చేయాలి మీరు. ఓకేనా, సీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్లీ. ఐ విల్ షేర్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే, టుమారో మీ ఫ్రెండ్ మన కోర్స్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉంటే జామని చెప్పండి. అమ్మ రామ్ నీకేం డౌట్ అమ్మ ఒకసారి చెప్పు. అంతే అమ్మా, ఈ మనం సెషన్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. రామ్ డౌట్ ఒకటి.
ఇంకొకటి, మీరేం ఇబ్బంది పడకండి. లైక్ ఇది రికార్డింగ్ అయింది, రికార్డింగ్ సెషన్ కూడా ఆ లింక్ పెడతాను, మీరు మళ్ళీ చూసుకోవచ్చు. నో ప్రాబ్లం. అర్థమైందా? ఫస్ట్ సెషన్ ది. సో మీకు ఏం డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా చూస్తే క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది.
నాన్న రామ్ నీకేం డౌట్ లేదా అమ్మా? ఓకే బేటా, ఓకే బేటా, యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ. ఓకే బేటా, థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. బాయ్ సార్.
బేటా బాయ్. ఓకే బేటా బాయ్ బాయ్. ఎవరికేం డౌట్స్ లేకపోతే లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోవచ్చు అమ్మా. ఓకే బాయ్ బాయ్ బేటా. ఓకే బేటా, ఓకే బేటా, ఓకే బేటా, వి విల్ సీ యూ టుమారో. బాయ్
బాయ్ సార్.
బేటా చెప్పండి.
65 into 65 4 to
చెప్పమ్మా
5 కదా.
చెప్పమ్మా ఎంత?
65 into 65.
ఎస్, ఎంత ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు.
6 into 6.
బేటా 6 into 6 కాదమ్మా, 6 తర్వాత వచ్చే నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 6 into 7 చేయాలి. వెరీ గుడ్. 6 into 7 ఎంత? అమ్మా 6 into 7, 6 7s are ఎంత వచ్చింది? 6 6s are 36. 36, 6 7s are 42 కదా. వెరీ గుడ్, 42 కదమ్మా. కాబట్టి 42 25 అంతే. అర్థమైందా?
I have one doubt.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
అమ్మా
Bye,
చెప్పు.
sir.
Concept of
ఓకే అమ్మా, బాయ్ అమ్మా, బాయ్. యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ద గ్రూప్. ఓకే, రేపు టైంకి రావండి అమ్మా. ఎవరమ్మా ఇంకా?
అక్షర sir.
అమ్మా
థ్యాంక్ యూ
చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్. బాయ్ సార్.
ఓకే బేటా బాయ్.
మాత్రమే రాసుకోవాలన్నారు కదా సార్.
చెప్పమ్మా బేటా, అర్థం కాలేదమ్మా, ఒకసారి చెప్తావు క్వశ్చన్.
ఎండింగ్ నెంబర్ లో మీరు ఓన్లీ డిజిట్స్ రాస్తారన్నారు కదా.
అవును బేటా.
8 + 7 = మనకి 15 వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
అవును బేటా.
ఇప్పుడు 115 అని రాయకూడదా సార్?
అంటే అమ్మా మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే 8 + 7 ఎంత అమ్మా? 15 కదా. నువ్వు 5 ని రాస్తావు అండ్ 1 ని గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటావు. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే మన బ్రెయిన్ కూడా కంటిన్యూటీలో ఉండాలి. ఆ 1 అనేది నీకు ఎండ్ నెంబర్స్ గుర్తున్నాయి అనుకో. ఇప్పుడు నేను సడన్ గా నేను 9 + 9 అన్నప్పుడు నువ్వు 8 అని చెప్పావు అనుకో, సో నీకు ఆల్రెడీ 1 ఉంటుందని తెలుసు. కానీ ఆ 1 ని నువ్వు లాంగ్ అడిషన్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ ముందు క్యారీ ఓవర్ అయిపోయే నెంబరే కదా అది. అంతే కదమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు క్యారీ ఓవర్ అయ్యే నెంబర్ కాబట్టి నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఎండ్ నెంబర్స్ ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే నీకు క్యారీ ఓవర్ అయ్యే నెంబరు అడిషన్ చేసే కొద్దీ దాంతో అయిపోయేది. ఒకసారి నువ్వు ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయమ్మా ఒకసారి. ఈ రోజు మన ప్రాక్టీస్ షీట్స్ వస్తాయి కదా, దాంతో మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే నీకు అలవాటు అవుద్ది, నీకు ఫ్రీ అవుతామ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఓకే బేటా. ఓకే బేటా బాయ్.
ఇంకెవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? Yeah, I think there are no doubts. Let us wind up the session. Thank you so much.
Okay, Anna. Okay, bro. Thank you so much. And
thank you so much, bro.
Okay, bro. No problem.